Imagine coming home from a long day at work and you have to search for the remote to turn on your AC or TV, or even pull your curtains.
Granite Display takes care of it all for you. All you need to do is simply touch. Don't let its small size fool you. Despite its 4-inch size, the Granite Display allows you to control everything from lights, curtains, modes, HVAC, music, and more. It has 720 on 720p HD touch display and is made with a sturdy metal frame and a glass cover, so it can be blended seamlessly with any home decor. With its proximity sensor, the panel wakes up automatically when you approach it. This way, you don't have to fumble around in the dark. Next, I will show you how it can make your life more convenient and comfortable. You can customize home screen to access features you use the most. This way, you don't need to search for them, which makes it quicker to use. Simply mark them as your favorites and control them directly from the home page, saving your steps. As for lighting, it's not just on and off. You can adjust the brightness, color, and color temperature to create different atmosphere. For example, relax yourself and turn the lights to a warm color temperature. Music control is certainly necessary. One click to have wonderful music around you. Also, you can adjust the curtains precisely by percentage. Open, close, and stop at ease. If your country only supports the US standard, don't be frustrated by the 4-inch screen. It also has a US standard version that can be installed horizontally or vertically with a larger screen for a better experience. Upgrade your home with our smart home control panel and start enjoying the convenience of controlling everything in one place. Order yours today!